guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! For those who don't know me, I am Untumekelelo Lusizo Siepu, but you can call me Ntu for the boys and the girls, for you and everybody else. Umuntu Wabantu, alright? So please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share so that we can grow our channel. This is our home, Betuna. Aibo, let it be something bigger. Let's buy land. Let's buy land to accommodate Amayamantu. Like, hey Bo, come and join us, please. Please. So on today's video, obviously, like you saw, yeah, unboxing. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. And I have my knife here, whoosh, to open these things because I think it took 3 weeks, or yeah, it took longer than 2 though, longer than 2 weeks. So some of the things I forgot that like I bought them. So I'm also like a little bit not confused, but like I don't know what is what, you know. So can we think this one is heavy? I don't know. No, but it's probably nyani. It's probably a 28-inch pot. That's why it's heavy. So I don't know why I'm excited. Okay. Airport. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's gloves. I got cleaning gloves. Cause kaloku, and I got the artificial flowers, guys. I got artificial flowers because I can't deal with taking care of flowers. But that's not the main reason I'm buying artificial flowers. The main reason is because I'm actually allergic to flowers. That is the main reason. Guess SANALWAM. Aibo! Ding ding ding. No, it's a sign, yes. Anyway, has to be a sign. I look lava. Oh, love them. They look real, ne? They don't look artificial. Okay, it's because I don't really look at if flowers are manyani, so I wouldn't know if they look fake or what. But for me, they look real. This is what I wanted. Hi! Hey! No, man, like, I love them. Yeah. The only thing, I think I need to put like something here to hold them together so that they're not like, you know, I don't want them like this. I want them like this. So I just need to put something here to hold them together. And Nalapa, like, why is bent? Hey, Betuna must be the delivery guy. Yeah, but I love them. If you put them here, and then what's this? Oh, it's dishcloth. Yeah, hey, I needed these because SANALWAM, every time I lose a dishcloth by mistake and I don't know how or why. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these were like 100 rand. Okay. I'm not mad at all. You know, the cute little ones. I hate the big ones because they're gonna wash out. We're gonna wash them. Man, it comes in like 3 colors: green, blue, and pink or orange. Yeah. Okay. I also love these and needed them, so I don't want to really need. Oh, And then, what's this? Oh, ipa. Oh! Oh! I like guys. It's a pen. Oh! Oh, non-sticky. Oh! Jesus Christ. What's this? Oh, love it. Love it. I love it. Love it. I love it. Yo, no more like using the energy to just wash in this. Damn it. I'm gonna use it straight after this video because why not? Yum, galo. Yum. What's this? No, but they have like instructions on how to wash it. Or what? I don't know. Don't know. And then continental pillowcase. I won't open it, or should I? It's white, guys. I won't open it in case I don't think my hands are clean. Just trust. Yeah. And then I got this for my flowers, obviously. It's a plastic vase. Vase. It looks like this, ne? Plastic. But I'm gonna spray paint it black and then put these flowers. Nibble vision. And when it like just imagine it black and then so yep, this is how it's gonna look. Obviously, like imagination black. Cute, ne? I know. I know. And the reason I got like a plastic one is because very clumsy. If I buy the Roma Koya ones, I'll break them and then I'll cry and Mariam Betun. I don't know. Okay. So, these are frames. These are frames. These are A4 frames. They come in fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. They come in fours, and I bought 2. I got 2 so that now I have 8 frames. I'm gonna use this as a DIY for DIY things. So you'll see it soon. Maybe next week, actually. Yeah, I think maybe next week, because obviously now that I have the things, I'll start my DIY as soon as possible. And then this side, I got a mattress protector. Yeah, queen size. And I hope it fits Kesana, because if it doesn't, all right. And then I got 2 pillows because I just wanted to add pillows on my bed. The ones I have, I still love them. I just want to have more. That's it. Okay. On to the next. Wash. Takealot. The first thing. What is egg storage? Yeah, almost said Landia Makanda. It's an egg storage container, 24 eggs. I have the one that keeps 6, so I wanted more because sana. And then okay, last last. And then I got these. Congratulations, you made it. I got these. The box. I don't think you guys can see. You see? I got these. They look so cute. Ne? Turning up, Pumina. Woo! Jesus. Yeah. Aibo. Kinsey cutie. Aibo. Aibo. And yeah. And I got these. Love them. Kiss on along. I love it. And then white tea coffee oh, it's those sugar things. Lemela. Ay, sana. Yo, sana. Yo. Okay, but it's not a big deal. Relax. Hey, lip box. Hey. I think that's in a bag like this. I love them so much. So now I do have these, but it's the see-through ones, ne? And I'm wrong because it's see-through. Oh, sis. Hey, I go. Okay, maybe not like a little bit soft, gentle. Coffee. Tea. That time, Kesana, I don't even drink coffee. Maybe I should now, ne? Just for 2 weeks until I'm used to it. Then should I? Hayi manzi look at cute. Okanye ndiyazifavor kuba ke imali yam. They look cute. I know. Thank you. It's nana. And then hey, it's any lights. Yay! Guys, why did they use a huge ass box for Lendo? Kajong? Hey? Soap dispenser. I love this Gesana because they're black. And also they're not glass. I don't want any glass things. I want that one. Soap dispenser, just The ones I have, I got them I missed the price home. And I don't like them, not because there's anything wrong with them. It's just that at the time when I was buying it to save imali. So obviously, okay, when you're buying while you're also trying to save, you don't buy the best with. So that was me. And then obviously with I bought two because with this one I'm gonna put this is for soap and this is for your hand cream. Ava, I love it. From Nagemo. I man, guys, just like look at them. Here's one on it. Here's one. Yay! And then last. And then I got the, what is this? Toothbrush tumbler. I don't remember buying this, but okay. Oh, so cute. It's cutie. It is cute. Love it. And then obviously this is like you can tell from the outside what it is. It's a pot. It's huge. It's huge. I love it for medicine. It's a non-sticky port. Good for my soul galapa. Because I'll need it. Tired of washing dishes, SANALWAM. Dear diary, had a bad day today, and wait, and this is a diary. This is my dear diary. Dear diary, didn't have a good day today, mainly because I just feel like, I don't know, man. My life is amazing. I'm joking. The manifesto. My life is amazing. Amazing. My life is amazing. Has to be amazing. I got it bonnet. We getting Telling her ginger. Pink is not my favorite color. It's my favorite color. I hear too, SANALWAM. Okay. Alright. Okay. Spray paint, black. For this, so that it becomes black. Miss DIY and I got another 40. So it's 3, ne? Okay. Never buy whatever again in my life. This shit is expensive. You expensive in Visa. But now I have enough. It's not that big. It's not big. This one is not big. But no, but it's the right size. And I'm saying that because obviously with the ones that I already have and the two that I just got, it makes perfect. Oh, hey bo, I get ten cute Lona. Oh, don't I? Oh, Betuna. No more struggling when washing dishes because it was Sana. And I got this, don't wooden bowl. And I got this, a wooden bowl. Cute, ne? No. And oh, and this. It's a top coat and bottom coat. Top coat and base coat. Yeah, I bottom also base. I don't know. Top coat and thingy coat because I want to start putting like nail polish on my toes. The belon to cute. I don't know, honey. Oh, I almost forgot, and I also got the. I almost got the. Why am I saying I almost? I also got this for my dishwasher, and I always buy it at Takealot because they have specials, pana. So if you buy it once, it's enough for the whole year. You know. So I already have a plus with this one. Obviously, the whole year got SANALWAM. There's no way. And I almost forgot. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. I get it. They were trying to protect it, but who's it? Jaibo. Is this brand called Italy La Crusade? Italy? How do you pronounce it? Oh Jesus, buying things we can't even pronounce. Alala. Oh! Oh, finally. Cute day. I know. So imagine with like my bonnet, my gown. My gown is like pinkish, purplish. Burgundy, no, it's not burgundy. Okay, wait, but she within low color palette with this cap the bonnet, and then I'm just like sitting outside, having coffee, tea, Yonki Londo. Oh, love. Okay, I'm being too loud. Love it. Oh, lava with cake and my mama. And the second one, push. Yeah. Hey boo.
smaller. And it's this big. Okay. Perfect for me, SANALWAM. 1 cup of green tea a day is enough when you are using this cup. So Takealot hate green tea, so half in the morning, half in the evening, or 1 cup a day. Blessing. No man, guys, but can you just and yeah, that was our perfect unboxing. Oh man, I still wanna okay, obviously after saying bye to you guys, but I just wanna touch everything, kiss it, hug it, give you out love and remove the energy. The energy is the one, as I say, delivery, guys. I love my things. Guys, this was our perfect unboxing. So happy about it. I don't have any complaints, shame, I won't lie. And there's nothing I got that I'm like, I know it didn't look like this on the pictures, mostly. They all look like what they look like on the pictures, which is good, Galava. Okay, yeah. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share, because I said I'm buying land so that I can accommodate everyone. Once I get the land, I'm building you guys houses, and we are doing this thing together, and forming our own, not country, our own community in London, whatever, but we're forming it. Eva, love you, Lord. Peace out.